Back with a new video, man. It's your boy Llama770, and we back at it again with a brand new video. As you can tell, I'm in the same outfit I was in the last one. You feel me? The last installation. Actually, it's the same day. I don't even want to lie to y'all. It's the same exact day. Right now, bruh, this is how the 330i is sitting. Ooh-wee. Can't lie. I messed with the black and the chrome. You feel me? That junk is nice. It's clean. It looks clean. You feel me? The Alpine white, it looks nice and clean, bro. I'm not even lying. What we finna do right now, though, is I got a front lip. So we finna install this front lip. Hopefully it's easy to install. I didn't look at no videos. I'm outside doing this junk now. If I can't install it, then y'all shouldn't even be seeing this video. So we finna go ahead and get into that. You feel me? So the M330i competition can finally look as fast. I mean, actually look like it's fast. You feel me? Because, you know, we got the downpipe and tune on this junk, bro. Ain't no normal 330i. Yeah, we finna get this junk going. So if you think you're gonna like this video, click the thumbs up button, click the post notification bell, and let's do it. All right, as y'all can see, you feel me? Your boy got a front lip, front splitter, whatever y'all want to call it. We got it in gloss black because the reason I went the gloss black route instead of like the carbon fiber is because, for one, carbon fiber is expensive. Two, gloss black, I already put a forged carbon fiber spoiler on the back, you feel me? And then once I got that, I was like, damn, I can't find no more forged carbon fiber. Like, I was like, bruh. So I didn't want to put the regular carbon fiber in it because it just wouldn't match, you feel me? Or look tacky. So I just decided to go gloss black because forged carbon and gloss black looks good. I feel like they complement each other, you feel me? So yeah, we just went with some pretty high-end gloss black plastic, you feel me? And we're finna put this front lip on, or split, or whatever you want to call it. Let's see if it's an easy install. If y'all think y'all gonna like this video, please hit the thumbs up button, bro. Okay, and it came to my uninvited attention that nobody else on YouTube installed a front lip on a Sportline 330i. You feel me? Everybody got the M Sport one, you feel me? Everybody was lucky enough to have that one. You feel me? And I know y'all probably thinking, yo, how come you just don't put the M Sport bumper on and do all that M Sport stuff? Honestly, I would, but I went the opposite direction, you feel me? I'm the type of guy, I believe, if you don't got an M, bro, don't pretend like you got an M. You feel me? Because I used to have an M3 and I used to think that same way. That's why I know a lot of people that think that way too. You feel me? That's why I be saying M330i in my videos. I just be trying to get people mad, trying to get people to comment on my videos. You feel me? Because I know how it feels when people that don't got an M3 pretend like they have one and all that shit. So I'm not going to pretend like I got an M340i. I'm not going to pretend like I have the M Sport package. Nothing like that. Because I don't. You feel me? And even though I could go and buy it, I decided to spend that money on the downpipe and tune, you feel me, for the speed. So we finna put this shit on. Buddy in the background talking mad loud, but it's all good. We finna get this junk done, bro. Alright, came with some cheap 3M tape and some screws you're supposed to use with no instructions. So we finna figure this stuff out. I don't even have a jack, so I don't even know how I'm finna get under this, but we finna find out. It's a hot day. The pavement is boiling hot. If I get on my back might bleed. You feel my back might bleed, you feel me? But regardless of what's going on, my situation, bro, we finna get this junk done, bro, because like I love y'all, bro, and I'm dropping this content for y'all, bro. Don't mind that scratch on the 330, and don't mind how dirty it is and needs a wash. But I didn't even do that scratch. The last guy who had it did it, you feel me? But y'all see all these screws at the bottom? I'ma just remove them and then use them to stick this in, you feel me, where the holes at. So I'm gonna have to use my phone in some of these segments, so that's what we doing. We taking out these screws, maybe all of them. I'm gonna line them up and see how much I need to take out, but I doubt any of y'all will really get the same exact one I have. So just, you know, use this as a reference. Don't copy exactly everything I do, but copy some things if it helps. All right, guys, we got all 5 holes open. You feel me? So now we finna see how this junk lines up and how it goes in. Okay, guys, so typical Chinese stuff. The screws don't fit, so that's the problem. So what we had to do we had to put these back in. And if you know, these bad boys don't come out. So I'm finna install this lip. We're just using these that was already on the 330i. You feel me? That's what we did at the bottom with this one, as you can see. You feel me? And it's holding it up pretty nicely. You feel me? So we finna try the other ends and see how good it can hold up the whole thing. All right, guys, so on the middle piece, you're gonna have to put 3M tape on the inside of it. Wipe it off and put some 3M tape on it. You feel me? All right, I know I said wipe it off, but pollen just keeps falling. Pollen's on my hands. Pollen is on the ground, so, but yeah, put the 3M tape on the inside of it so it can stick to the bottom of the front bumper. Boom, and just like that, we got the middle piece on. One more panel to go, and the 330i gonna start actually looking like an M330i. This is the finished look. It looks pretty good for somebody who didn't even know how to do it. But yeah, you see how I put it on a front lip on a Sportsline 330i? That means you can do it too, you feel me? But if y'all like this video, go ahead, hit the thumbs up button, click the post notification bell. Finna head to the car wash right now to see how clean this junk look when it's clean, because it's very dirty right now. As you know, it's pollens outside and stuff, so. But we still finna go get washed, so let's get it.